These are the bearings that we made. They're going to go right inside the slot, be bolted in place, and the bolts are going to be short enough to put tension on this but not hit the inner pipe, and then the tension will be put on the pipe from this bearing, so they'll roll very nicely. On this pipe. I have these pipes 6 foot long. I figure the maximum height we'll be able to cut is probably around 45 inches. The width will be 36, a little over 36 actually, but as it goes up past the blade, I'll be able to cut maybe 30 up to 32 inches, but right at the blade I'll be able to cut 36 easily. I've shown you a little bit of this. Here's my fenders. I just hand bent these. This part here, as this part was straight, I mean just one piece straight, I broke this on a break, 1/2 inch, put a 1/2 inch lip on it, and then I curved it around without a pattern, just testing it on the back plate and setting it up on the back plate every once in a while just to see where my curve was. The way I curved these, I put it in a vise and just bent it a little bit at a time, which worked out well. Worked out really well for both of them. So the front plate will actually bolt to this flange, and it'll be hinged up here on the flat part, so I'll be able to lift these up, change the blade if I need to. And these hinges will be the ones I'll be using. These are stainless steel. So it's coming along. Yeah, it's been a lot of work so far, but it's going to be worth it. I'll have labor in it, but not a lot of money.